Friends, running kimono. We are in the store at Walgreens for the week of the 26th to May the 2nd. Lots of great deals in this flyer. And if you have register rewards or Walgreens cash to burn through, this is the week to do it because a lot of us didn't get a digital booster, but a paper booster might be printing for you at the register. So don't forget, punch in your phone number. You never know what might appear. And if you guys could do me a huge favor and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up or hype the video, I would be so grateful. Now, alternatively, if you are not excited about Walgreens this week, if you might have a Dollar General, it might be worth you going to the store and seeing what they have. There's going to be a clearance event starting on Friday, May the 1st, going right to the 7th. Lots of detergent, the meat and potatoes that we love, an additional 50% off with digital coupons. Expect a video early this week from me, but this is going to be really a great clearance event, and we also have a lot of paper. So, definitely worth scouting your store. Sizzling hot deal that we have this week over at Walgreens is on the Dove shampoo priced at $5. The promotion is when you buy 2 of these, you're getting back a $4 register reward. And we also have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon. So make sure that you load the 4 off of 2 digital coupon that appeared this morning. Just to give you eyes on it, this is what the digital coupon looks like. And if you type in Dove shampoo, it should be itemized below it. And then you just press the plus button to load it to your store card. Grabbing 2 of these shampoos, it's $10. Subtracting the 4 off of 2 digital coupon, you're going to pay $6. Get back a $4 register reward, making it 2 for 2 or $1 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. You can use Walgreens cash to get the register reward to print. That is no problem. And make sure that when you're in the store, you're paying attention to other customers. Is it printing from that machine? And do not be shy to ask the cashier, hey, is that machine printing today? They might have a story for you or it might be printing. The next super deal that we have this week is the $6.99 Bounty Triple. Triple. Pay attention. And the puffs at $6.99. $3 reward when you buy 2. Now, unfortunately, my store did not have any of those triples left. And if you pick up the doubles, it is not part of the promotion. So you really have to pay attention to what you're grabbing. But this is what it should look like. Of course, look for the items that are tagged in your store. Going first thing this morning, nothing was tagged at my location. You're going to have to load these 2 coupons, the 3 off for the puffs and the $1 for the Bounty. Apologies, it says expired. I don't know why it's doing that this morning. But grabbing 1 of each, it's $13.98. Subtracting $4 in digital coupons, you're going to pay $9.98. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $6.98 for the 2 or $3.49 per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. That $7 Neutrogena register reward, if you might have it from last week, toss it into this. I mean, this is a fabulous deal for some nice items like the puffs. Yeah, that's a really good deal. Okay, so this deal is for the more fancier toothpaste. So if you like Hello, this is probably the deal for you. You're going to load this friend, which is the 5 off of 2. So the fancier Colgates or the Toms of Maine, which I believe is just a smidge bit more. But if you like the fancier ones, this is not a bad one. The $5 to $6 paste, we're going to get a $5 reward when we buy 2, and the 5 off of 2 digital coupon. I thought it would be a 5 off of 1, but it wasn't. So grabbing 2 of these toothpaste for $12, subtracting that coupon, you're going to pay $7. Get back a $5 register reward, making it 2 for 2 or $1 per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but not a bad little deal. Separate transaction, if you want to grab some fancier toothbrushes, we have this coupon. So it's the same deal, just with a different coupon. So don't do all 4 in one transaction, or one register reward will print for you. Separate transactions, just for the toothbrushes alone. And I recently had some dental surgery a couple months back, and I picked up one of these fancier brushes. It's worth its weight in gold. Even for $1, I'm going to be grabbing a couple this week, especially if you've had a tooth extraction. It's very gentle, the soft one. Great deal that we have this week is on the Walgreens brand. It's a lens wipe. So if you have glasses, sunglasses, you just bust one of these open and then clean up your glasses, and it's fantastic. $5 reward when you purchase 2, and we're looking at the cheapest one in that eye care aisle for $3.99. Grabbing 2 of them on a BOGO 50% off, that's $5.98. Get back a $5 register reward. It makes it 98 cents for 2 or 49 cents per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. booster, but not a bad little deal, especially if you wear glasses or sunglasses. You don't like those smudges. Who does? So I would definitely stock up this week. Okay, class, next deal that we're looking at is on the men's Axe body wash. Buy one, get one 50% off with the 5 off of 2 digital coupon. Now, there is no register reward to go with this one. It's just $1.99 Axe after everything is said and done. This is a name brand product, and if your guys like this one, or if you love this one, stock up this week. 2 of these on a buy one, get one 50% off at $5.99 is $8.98. Subtracting the coupon, you're paying $3.98 for the 2 or $1.99 per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. A body wash. Now, it's $8 this week, and there's a promotion that when you buy 3, you get back a $5 register reward. When you do the deal, make sure that you load this coupon, the 7 off of 3, for extra savings. And also hang on to your receipt in case IBOTTA might give us a rebate as the week marches on. You never really know what they're going to do up there. So just hang on to it just in case. So just giving you the breakdown for this one, 3 of these body washes is $24. Subtracting that 7 off, you're going to pay $17, get back a $5 register reward, making it $12 for the 3 or $4 per body wash. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but not a bad little deal. Pantene shampoo. So for this one, we're kind of going to do an alternative deal with the cheaper and the middle to cheap ones. We're going to grab 2 of these for $5.49. Please make sure that they are tagged in your store. You're just not grabbing everything and anything just because. And then 1 of the Rescue Gold products at $8. Again, really pay attention, class, that you're doing this properly. Load the following. We have a $5 off of the Rescue or the Gold, and then the 3 off of 2. So that's $8 of coupons altogether. Again, looking at the math, 2 of the cheaper ones at $5.49 is $10.98. And then 1 gold for $8. Subtracting $8 in digital coupons, you'll pay $10.98. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $6.98 for the 2 or $2.32 per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no boosters. Remember, register reward deals are in-store only. You can't get them through curbside deals. For this one, we're grabbing a Venus and a Gillette Skin Guard priced at $9.99. Please make sure you're grabbing the right razor and not just anything in the store. We're going to load these 2 $3 coupons, the $3 off for the men's and the $3 off for the ladies. The promotion is when you buy 2 of these this week, you're getting back a $6 register reward. So there it is. So just a very quick and easy deal. 2 of these razors at $9.99 is $19.98. Subtracting the 6, you're paying $13.98, getting back a $6 register reward, making it $7.98 for the 2 or $3.99 per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Now we're going to talk about a couple laundry care deals. We have the $5.49 buy 4, get back a $5 register reward. So you're going to get a basket that's a mix and match of the greatest hits because there's dollar coupons attaching to each. If you might have other register rewards that you want to throw into the mix for a lower out of pocket, that's definitely the way to do it. But just to show you the example of the cross of digital coupons, you would load, boom, 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 load them. It's only $4. Grabbing an assortment, again, it's $21.96 at $5.49 a pop times 4. Subtracting $4 in coupons, you're paying $17.96, getting back a $5 register reward, making it $12.96 for the 4 or $3.24 per laundry care product. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Last 2 deals to consider if you have a lot of register rewards or Walgreens cash burning a hole in your pocket is the 4 for $10 on the Bounce, Downy, Febreze, Gain, Tide Simply, and so on. It makes it $2.50 per unit, which is a really great price point. So if you wanted to stock up, I would absolutely do it this week. You have nothing to lose. And then I would also stock up on the Walgreens sandwich bags or food storage bags, whatever fancy way they want to call it. It's $2.79 for the first, so divided by 3, it makes it 93 cents per unit, which is a really great price point, cheaper than the Dollar Tree. That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.